So this is Samarpita, and I welcome you all to my channel, that is Gutu Gyan. And thanks to all my subscriber, whoever have subscribed to my channel. I thank you for all your support and all your likes and all your views. I thank you a lot. And here I come with my next content, that is about using menstrual cups, and we have to say no to pads, and we have to start using menstrual cups which are absolutely hygienic and absolutely eco-friendly. And it's high time that we should give a thought about menstrual cups. I will just also have a discussion with one of my college buddy. Her name is Sweetie, and she is a social activist. Her name is Susri Swagatika Bhuiya, and she is from my native, that's Orissa. She's working actively there with Aam Aadmi Party, if you know, and she's in participated a lot in many social reforms in Orissa, and I think she will also join with me. Let me try to connect to her. So till that, let us discuss about how like what are the let us think what are the substitute for pads. I think we all know about tampons. Tampons and menstrual cups, these are the two substitutes. Even if tampons also release some waste to the environment, so the most eco-friendly thing which we can change to is menstrual cups, which is a silicone cup, which Sweetie will show you. It's very comfortable, and I am using it this time, and I am telling this review only because after using it, I will tell you guys it is a blessing, because it is so comfortable. And even if while sleeping, there is no leakage tension, there is no there is absolutely no rashes, no hustle bustle, no irritation, nothing. And it's absolutely smooth and very comfortable. It didn't pain to me whenever I inserted it, and it is very eco-friendly. So if we know about the men's scavenging, the scavenging which is going on, the humans who are collecting wastes. So just think, a normal woman in her lifespan, she is using more than 6,000 pads. Just imagine, guys, the amount of waste we are releasing to the environment. Don't you think if we start being smart enough and start using these cups, we will save our Mother Earth, and also those humans who are involved in this work, who are collecting these pads? Just think about them. What a what a feeling they will be having, because whenever we see blood anywhere, blood is something that is related with pain, with a feeling of nastiness sometimes happens when we see blood. Some people have blood phobia also, they cannot see blood. You think those people who are walking in the roads and you find a pad sometime came across your leg, you just think yuck, oh my god. And this happens, guys, this happens with us, and we can stop it. We can make our country much more clean by thinking and you starting use of these menstrual cups. It's absolutely hygienic, it's absolutely cost friendly, because if we use these cups, you can reuse it, and you can even use it for a very long period. It's more than 5 years you can use more than 1 year, so absolutely you can use. It depends on the different variety of things, and it absolutely cost you around 300 to 400 rupees. So just think the amount of money you are saving. And if you think it is going to hurt you, it's not. It's absolutely hygienic. How a nipple of a small baby, it's like sterilized and you reuse it. Just like that, you can sterilize the cup and reuse it. That's it. It's absolutely very comfortable. Why don't we give a try? Why don't we start giving a try to these menstrual cups? So let's talk with my friend Sweetie about this menstrual cups and uh, like about everything about this menstruation. We should talk about like in schools we should have a chapter also, like we had reproductive health. We should also talk little more about this periods and all in schools also, so that teachers can also train the childrens about mainly the girl childrens, even if the boys should know about this, because
Yeah.
this is something women go through, because we have a reproductive life also, for which we get prepared from very childhood. This is a boon or a curse. I don't know. For many people, this is a boon. Actually, it is a boon only, because without this, no woman can be complete. This menstruation makes us complete. And there is a myth that menstrual blood is very impure, but I know you also know that it's actually very pure as your vein blood also. It just comes out from that passage, but that does not mean that menstrual blood is impure. Correct? What do you think about this impurity concern about uh, which is talked about a lot? This is bad, this is blood, this just waste blood, stay away, stay, don't go to that person. Still in many myths are going on. Correct?
Yeah.
What do you think about?
See, all those things now, they were in the ancient days only. That menstruation is a taboo, is a which should not be discussed between any person. Yeah, this thing should not be discussed from one room to another.
Yeah,
When women was shedding the menstrual
when it
blood,
is locked up in a
she was,
room, yeah,
yeah, she was considered that time that
impure.
she is impure.
Yeah,
Yeah, but all these things are
myths.
very myths.
Yeah. Yeah, it's absolutely pure. This blood is absolutely as pure as your blood from the vein. It's absolutely just blood and tissue which is shedding out of your body. When every month we release our ovary through our ovaries to from the fallopian tube to our uterus. When this fertilization does not happen, so our uterus walls break down. That's called
Yeah,
menstruation, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So that is the
yeah,
definition of menstruation. So it does not mean that menstruation is bad or a bad blood is coming out, unless and until you have a blood cancer or blood infection. Till that, this blood which comes out from your body is absolutely pure. So with this, I think we should wind up our session, because it's a lot of gyan, Guddu Gyan. My channel name, yaar, bol do ek bar.
what good again?
Yeah. So today's
Jesus
Guddu
save
Gyan.
Samarpita is the main good again since 2005. Jesus
So
save Samarpita.
no, so today's Guddu Gyan is that menstrual blood is absolutely pure, and start using menstrual cups, and send me a selfie with menstrual cups. Yeah, so I can take a selfie of Sweetie. Wow, it looks awesome. I think you should wear a matching dress also.
The
So
color is
like
also
we,
very soothing color.
well,
Light
yeah, it's
blue
very
color.
nice color,
Very
yeah.
nice.
You have chose a nice
Yeah.
color, blue. You have remembered those ink advertisement.
Yeah.
It was
And it
blue in color.
matches with my color of the wall also.
Yeah.
See? So very,
Okay, so
very friendly, user
this is
friendly.
the cup which we should transform, and it does not pain. So it does not
Yeah.
pain. So please stop thinking that it pains. It absolutely does not pain. Just fold it. Can you show me folding it? Just fold it, squeeze it. Okay, squeeze it, put inside your vagina. Yes, you should put it like
And
this.
it will be released.
Yeah, it will be released inside, and your blood will be collected inside. Whenever it is filled up or half filled, you just take it out very swiftly, drain it out in your bathrooms, and again you can wash it and reuse it. And it's
Yeah.
absolutely friendly and absolutely eco-friendly. First thing, we will stop releasing waste. Our rivers will be pure. Our whole city can be half cleaned if we stop using pads. And I think it is high time we should start using, then we can mobilize. Correct. If we are not
Yeah.
using and we are starting mobilizing, it cannot be. So we and Sweetie have started
Yeah.
using our cups. So I think my all ladies, and not only ladies, gents only, you can only like convince them. So not only ladies, whoever gents are watching, please convince your female partners to start using cups because it is cost friendly. You can have little more money, guys. You can save money, and I am helping you in saving money, right, sweetie?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
can have a Lingara's lassi. If you have tried it, I don't know. It's available. Is it still available there? Or
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
closed? For COVID, is it
No, it's
closed now?
available.
It's available.
Now I don't know, but it's there. And it is very popular now in Bhubaneswar.
Yeah,
Very much
I so
popular.
much miss my
Lassi are
Lingara's
all
lassi,
made in
yaar.
Bhubaneswar.
I miss it a lot. And so you can save some money and have some food, yaar. Why should you waste so much money? And why should you degrade the environment? So start using cups. Sure, sweetie, cups.
Yes.
So let's promote these cups and stop. Say no to pad. Say yes to menstrual cups.
Welcome.
Yes. So this is Samapita and Sweetie signing off from my channel Kutugyan. Keep subscribing to my
Jai
channel
Hind.
and please share, comment, whatever you want to do. But please promote me, guys. Please request. Start promoting my channel. Humble request, no attitude. Okay, good night and stay safe, stay home and keep helping. Bye. Bye bye. Thank you, sweetie.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye bye.